Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification button to get notified when new videos come out.
Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum, welcome to our channel. I'm back with another exciting video. Hopefully everyone doing well. Today I'm planning to make sukha kebab. It's very famous Hyderabadi item. Basically mostly people enjoy with the lentil and vegetarian item. It's just to add a little extra condiment. It kind of look like beef jerky. It's crispy, tasty, and you fry them. So it takes a couple of days to make it, and you can store it for a couple of months in your fridge once it's completely dry. So you can put it in a glass jar and keep it in your fridge, and you can use whenever you feel like. So please enjoy this video, and thanks for tuning in. So for Hyderabadi style dried beef, I have the beef here. It's already sliced. So we're gonna cut into strips, like lengthwise. It's not so thick. So whenever you plan to make, mostly people make during Bakra Eid time, and Qurbani meat is the best meat for this dry beef. So I already cut all the meat. So make sure you cut very thin strips. See? So it's easier to dry faster. So now we're gonna marinate this Hyderabadi style dry beef, or sukha beef, sukha Gosht they call it. It's very famous in Hyderabad, and also back home. Also, my mother always make it, especially Bakra Eid time when we do Qurbani. So we save some nice meat and we make dry beef. So I'm gonna make it today. So for marination, I'm using ginger garlic paste, one full tablespoon salt according to your taste, crushed chili 1 teaspoon, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, chili powder 1 teaspoon, and now we're gonna mix it everything together. I'm gonna use my hand, so it's nicer to use hand. So our beef is rested for 20 minutes. So now I'm gonna hang it in the sunlight. So just like this, we're gonna hang all the beef. So I hang all the beef, and I'm gonna cover with a little you can use malmal cloth or cheesecloth, they call it. So just cover them up like this. So avoid bugs are hanging around with the meat. So it will take around 1 or 2 days or 2 to 3 days to completely dry. So I will see you after 3 days. So and then we're gonna fry them, and you can have it as a side dish for your lentil or your anything you making vegetarian dish. It goes along very well with the vegetarian or lentil with rice. So I'll see you after 3 days when it's completely dry. So it's been 2 days. So it's almost dry. Actually, it's dry, completely dry. So we're gonna move it, take it out from the string in a plate. So you see, it's completely dry. So we're gonna take it out, and then we're gonna do some presentation. So our Hyderabadi sukha kebab, dry beef is ready. So it's look like this. It's nicely dry, turn like darker a little bit. So you can store it in the glass jar, and you can leave it in the fridge for maybe a couple of months actually. Yeah, you're gonna store like this and leave it in your fridge and use whenever you're making lentil or anything. You can use it and enjoy it. So now I'm gonna fry them, and then we're gonna enjoy it with the lentil and popper and rice. So now we're gonna shallow fry. You just need a couple of tablespoons of oil. You just put it inside the oil. That's it. And wait till it turns crispy. It's similar like a beef jerky, something like that. It takes a couple of seconds, actually 10-15 seconds to fry them. See, this coming nice and golden brown. See, that's it, done. So now we're gonna do some presentation. So our sukha kebab is ready. You can see it nice and crispy. So I fried them, and it took me 2 days to dry them, and also we make some lentil also as a khatti dal. We have some pickle, mango and carrot pickle, popper and plain rice. You can enjoy all together as a condiment. You can use this bite of this and have a rice and lentil plus achar and also this popper. So please enjoy this delicious Hyderabadi meal, complete meal, and it came out very nice and tastes very good actually. It's kind of like a beef jerky. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. It came out very nice. Please do try this recipe. It's pretty nice, and especially when you don't feel like to eat lots of meat. So it's a very good option. Less meat and enjoy with lentil, rice. And also follow us on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. If you like our video, consider subscribe our channel. And I will be back pretty soon with another exciting video pretty soon. And take care of yourselves, stay safe, and Allah Hafiz everyone.